Are you tired of working a 9-to-5 job and dreaming of turning your passion for creating content into a profitable career? Well, have no fear, because we're here to show you how to make money creating content and have a little fun while doing it. Welcome to Income Roll. We talk self-improvement, finance, and a lot more. Step 1. Find your niche. The first step to making money creating content is to find a niche that you're passionate about and that has a proven track record of success. Whether it's cooking, fitness, or even memes, find something that you love and that people are willing to pay for. Step 2. Get creative. Once you've found your niche, let your creativity run wild and start creating content that your audience will love. Remember, the key to success is standing out from the crowd, so don't be afraid to think outside the box and try new things. Step 3. Monetize your content. Now that you've got some great content, it's time to start making money. There are many ways to monetize your content, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or even creating your own products. And remember, the key is to not just rely on one way of making money, diversify. Step 4. Build a following. The more people you can reach with your content, the more money you can make. So make sure to build a following on social media and use platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok to grow your audience. Step 5. Learn the art of SEO. Search engine optimization is key to getting your content seen by the right people. Make sure to learn the basics of SEO and optimize your content for search engines so that it reaches more people. Step 6. Be consistent and patient. Making money creating content takes time and effort. Be consistent and patient, and don't give up if you don't see results right away. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Step 7. Network. Building relationships with other content creators and industry professionals can open up new opportunities for you and help you grow your audience. So don't be afraid to reach out to others and collaborate on projects. Step 8. Have fun. Remember, creating content should be fun, so don't put too much pressure on yourself. Enjoy the process and don't take yourself too seriously. And remember, if it's not fun, it's not worth it. So there you have it, guys. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be on your way to making money creating content and turning your passion into a profitable career. And who knows, you might even become the next internet sensation and have sponsors knocking on your door. So go out there, take a deep breath, and start your journey to making money creating content. And remember, the most important thing is to have fun, because let's face it, life is too short to spend it doing something you hate. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us a lot to make more videos like this one. See you soon.